mga lags or hindi maganda yung process ng game. Pero dahil MediaTek G99 na siya guys, yung processor niya is maganda siya for gaming. At yung Tecno Pova 5 talaga guys is designed siya for gaming. At yung internal storage niya or RAM muna tayo guys, yung RAM niya is mayroong 8GB of RAM at mayroon ding ROM niya or yung internal storage niya or yung masabi nating memory ng phone niya is 256. Kaya for gaming na mabibigat or malalaki yung internal storage is maganda talaga siyang gamitin. So Tecno Pova 5 naman guys, yung camera niya is not the strongest point, but you can take pictures and mas maganda yung camera niya guys kapag mayroong maganda ding light. Kapag hindi ganong maganda yung lighting nyo guys or yung ilaw nyo is hindi